Good morning, students. Welcome back to online study. Let's start our next part of Unit 1, that is 1.2, Map Our Friend and Guides. In this chapter, student, you can see the picture of a map as well as the picture of a globe. In the picture of map, you can easily find out the continents, countries and water bodies. But it is little bit difficult to find out the continents, countries in the picture of a globe. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about map, types of map, advantages map and more about all details of maps. So let's start globes and maps. A globe is a model of the earth. It shows the true shape of the earth. It helps us to learn many important facts about the earth. But we cannot use the globe for all our purpose. Also, we cannot make a globe as big as we like. We cannot carry it with us from place to place. These difficulties can be overcome by the use of maps. Students, as you know, a globe is a model of the earth. It shows the true shape of the earth. It helps us to locate places on the earth. But it has some disadvantages. A globe cannot show a whole world at a time. It is difficult to carry it because of its shapes. It cannot show countries and cities of the world at a great details. To overcome of this advantage, we use map. Now students, I will tell you what is a map. A word map is derived from Latin word mappo, which means napkin. A map is a representation of the earth's surface or part of it on a flat surface. A map can be very handy. It does not occupy much space. It can be folded or rolled. It can be carried easily in a bag or pocket. Map can be of different kind. They can be used in a book. It can be drawn on a board, on a wall or on a paper. We can make maps of any size and they are of different types. That, that is why maps are used more than a globe. Students, now I will tell you the advantages of maps. We have different types of map. A physical map, political map, climatic map and many others map. Map can show countries and cities of the world in great details. First I will tell you what is a physical map. A physical map shows physical features of continents, plateaus, plains, rivers, lakes, oceans, mountain, valley, water bodies, etc. A political map shows the political boundaries of different countries, states, capital, major cities, etc. Map can also give used to provide information about population, distributions of rainfall, forest, wildlife, crops, minerals and industry. Apart from political and physical features, map can also give information about roadways, railway lines and the airways route, etc. So, we can get more information from a map and we can even carry a map anywhere just by folding a paper. That's make map more useful than a globe. Now student, I will tell you what is an atlas. There are special books that have only map in them. Such book is called an atlas. A good atlas can give us all sorts of information. It can tell us about the political boundaries and the physical features and natural resources of different parts of the world. It can also tell us about the vegetation and climatic condition of different region. Thank you students. That's all for today.